Nvidia is going to be making some CPUs. They're coming to eat some Intel lunch. And obviously, tremendously successful company on the GPU side. And this foray right here has got to mean, got to be somewhat terrifying for Intel. Intel's getting hit from every side. They were in that dominant position for so long. They're working on new ARM-based server CPUs that are being pitched to big cloud companies. That's a problem. Intel have been moving those chips for those clients. And Nvidia says first quarter sales are going to exceed its forecast range. They expect it to be a very successful operation. Intel shares are down on the news. Nvidia is up. The graphics chip maker has designed a central processing unit based on technology from ARM Limited. That's the company you may recall that they were trying to acquire for a period of time. And then
in the UK, right?
Anti-competition types were like, hey, easy there.
Yeah.
They were like, that's not cool. So it never took place, but I don't know if they're still trying or not. This deal, however, presumably beneficial to both parties, even outside of an all-out acquisition, that they can start to get into more servers. Apparently, they've got a couple customers already. The Swiss National Supercomputing Center and the U.S. Department of Energy's Los Alamos National Laboratory are going to be the first to use the chips in their computers. NVIDIA is boasting about this. Let's see. Data center revenue contributes about 40% of the company's sales, up from less than 7% just 5 years ago. Intel still has more than 90% of the market in server processors, which can sell for more than $10,000 each. That means huge opportunity. Intel's got 90% of the market. You're just coming in and already had a little success. That's a big lunch, is what I'm trying to say. So there's a variety on the table. I haven't had a big lunch in a while. Kind of feel like one.
Yeah, go for it.